mag-a-attend ako ng birthday ng pinaka-eldest na pinsan namin. Guys, ito lang ang aking gift ng aking pinsan. From the original packaging pa to, hindi ko na ginalaw. Actually, ito ay promise ko sa kanya.
Tita Barla Loving Life. Yes, welcome to my vlog. Subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. See ya! Tita Barla at ang bago niyang buhay. Bagong ticket.
Happy Easter everyone! This is Tita Barla. Welcome to my channel. So ngayon is time check. It's 5 PM and sirado tindahan dahil mag-a-attend ako ng birthday ng pinaka-eldest na pinsan namin. Guys, ito lang ang aking gift ng aking pinsan. From the original packaging pa to, hindi ko na ginalaw. Actually, ito ay promise ko sa kanya. Meron ako nito as our personal noong September 2023. Sabi namin, if may kaya, pag birthday niya 2024, bibigyan sana siya, pero walang budget. So ngayon na lang. Leather belt under Mugna leather craft from Cagayan. This is balat ng baka. Balat ng baka. So sa dulo nito, hindi ko na lang ginalaw, makikita to na naka-customize pangalan niya. I-attach ko na lang yung nakasample. So ito yung sa kanya. Hindi niya alam that we're giving this to her this time. So ayan. Pero nakuha na namin yung tamang sukat niya. Kasi yan din ang kay husband at saka yung sa akin. Oh, here. Mugna man eh. Mugna. Langit pala, pangit, walang cartoon. Nayak. Joma, dito. Can I read? Disclaimer: marks and scratch in the letters are of an authentic leather. Hi, they can appear as brain search mark different surface. Slowly. Basig masamot ng ka-marks and stretch marks. Kasi tambok ng bakahan eh. Wow! Ano siya ni? Ay, ang bakol dahil giputos.
Sabi, di ko tangignan.
Ingon ko, ikaw pwede buyan siya leather. Anong leather, ma'am? Ito nga. Maybe kung sabihin, mag-free ka man lang sa akin, bigyan mo ako leather kay change siya leather nga, ma'am. Sana nilagyan ko na lang. Okay. Thank you, Mugna. Mugna Leather Arts. Okay, thank you much. Ay, nabutas. Ito talaga yung original ng packaging. Disclaimer, marks and scars, leather. I-scotch tape ko na lang to. Bago lang kasi itong na-cleaver. Naglata na tanawa. Ay! Nalata na. Wala na ako hilabti ha. Ay, leather! Ay, leather! Katunang para sa lagi. Oh, nayagyag yun na ha from the mo yun na iyang sulod. Nanay ngalan. Ito na yung belt na may pangalan niya. Pure leather. So, pina-customize ko siya, yung pinabutas-butasan ko sa loob. Yan, while waiting for the final setup ng celebrant na Divinis, paikot tayo dito sa kanilang mga garden. Dako jud yung bouquet. This is, ano tawag dito? Satin ribbons. Satin ribbon. Ayan, bouquet. No, for sale.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun. As she puts her hand in mine, we wanna chase the night.
Inikta kining luksan ko. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy because we love you so. It is your birthday, only happy holiday. It is your birthday, only. It is your happy birthday, only. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Celebration, birthday ng pinsan ko at anniversary ng kaniyang anak ng wedding. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel and see you on my next vlog. Please support Tita Barla. Goodbye!